So I've been told that apparently birds grow from the seeds. So we're gonna find out from an expert if it's true. Like, let's in the pit stop now. Where's the bird seed?
Hello?
Sorry, I'm just vlogging. Where's the bird seed?
That's it, that's it.
Is it that side?
Yeah, you can come.
Oh, okay, cool.
How many want to get?
I just want one small packet. But there's a question I've been asked. I've been wondering, how long will it take until they grow? How long does it take for them to grow? Week, 2 days?
I don't know.
Because like he really wants a bird, like he really wants a bird, but he's been wondering how long does it take if you had to plant the seeds.
I don't know.
Okay.
Going to read and research.
Okay, cool. Thanks, my man.
Thank you.
Okay, a week. Got it. Awesome.
Here's the potential birds. Hey, all right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will probably have another video. Probably later today. I'll let you guys know. But like and subscribe. Put on that post notification.